Okay, welcome to the Dero series that we're doing for Mac, and this is for the Dero node and wallet for the CLI, that's Command Line Interface wallet. And so we're going to help you put your own node on your own computer, your own wallet, hook that wallet to the node, and then run your wallet. And then if we get time, we're going to do the browser extension for the Dero NFTs. And this is all for Mac. So we're going to start at part one. And what we're going to do is we're going to download the wallet. So we're going to go to Dero.io, go to downloads, hit Mac OS because this is for Mac. And then you're going to go right here to the CLI wallet, download that. Now I did this earlier so as a test, but I deleted it all. Now we're going to go back through it. So your download probably is in your download folder. So I'm going to go to Finder, and in my home folder here I created a Dero folder, and then I have some notes that I'm going to show you on screen here, and just in case the description gets separated from the video later, you'll have it right here in the video. All right, so we're going to go back to the download folder, and we're going to get our Dero download that we just got, move it over to our Dero folder, and then double click it and open it up. Okay, now inside there you have 5 folders, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the wallet and the Dero node, so the rest we're not going to use. So first we're just going to make 2 folders, make this easy. We're going to call one the wallet, and then we're going to call the other one the node. A node is like downloading the entire blockchain for Dero. Now I'm not a technical guy. I had to go and get help from the Dero tech support, and they helped me get through all this, and so I thought I'd make some videos for the other Mac users because there is videos out there for Windows. Now what we have, then we have our download here, and we're going to take the wallet one and we're going to move it to wallet. And then we're going to go back to here, and we're going to take the Dero node. It's Dero D. That's the node. We'll put it in node. And then these other 2, these we're just going to get rid of. So we're just going to highlight these 2 and delete them for now. If we wanted them back, we could just go back to the website and get them. So I have my notes, node, and wallet. So double click it on my notes again. We just downloaded it. We unzipped it. And now we're going to make some aliases. So we go back to our folder. Under node, and you highlight node on a Mac, and then you right click and you say make alias. Click that, and it creates this alias for you. Do the same thing on wallet, highlight, and then click and say click make alias. Now normally the first time when you open one of these on a Mac, it'll say, oh, it's downloaded from the internet and it might be bad. Are you sure you want to open it? And you say open, and then it might not do that to me because I had already opened this earlier. So now you highlight the alias, right click, go down here to new terminal at folder. So you're going to open a new terminal window at this folder level here. Okay, and that's important. So then we're going to just expand this and go to our notes and get a little code here that will help us. I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it. And we go back to our notes. In the first part that we're going to do, we're going to take this whole command. Now, if the notes are gone and you can't copy paste, you just type this in, starting from that dot slash exactly the way it is. And this is a fast sync. So what we're going to do is we're going to be able to download the Dero node really fast. So that means like in a couple of hours versus a couple days. So we're going to paste that in there, hit enter, and then it should just take off and do or return on your Mac. Now sometimes you get these errors. It just depends on your computer and the hookup and so on. But once it starts, you see this process starting here, and this is telling you what percentage is finished. This is step 1 of 2, and this is going to go through all the way through step 1 up until 100%. So this is totally, it's going to take about 2 hours. And at this point, it's like October 11th, 2023. So it might, years from now, it'll probably be bigger, but right now it's a couple hours. Now this is the fast sync. So this takes a couple of hours, and once that's done, you can just keep the node running in the background on your separate computer, whatever your main computer, if you want. Now while that's going on, explain here. Once this goes through, gets up to 100%, it's at 2% now. At part 1, at step 1, okay, and then it'll go to step 2 and it'll go all the way to 100%. It looks slow, but it'll go pretty fast. Now what happens eventually, these numbers here on the bottom will all turn green. So, and this number will start going up. It'll let you know where you're at. But these numbers will all turn green when it's finished. And then you can hook your wallet up to your node. So at this point, we're just going to minimize this. I'm not going to close it. I'm just going to let it run in the background. All right, and we'll come back to that later. But in the next video, we are going to set up a wallet to get ready to hook up to this node that's on our machine. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit on the next video.